This is my freeze dryer setup. So in addition to the freeze dryer itself, I also bought a cart down here from Home Depot for $160. Okay, I think this is my new Father's Day gift. I think it's time to get rid of my milk cartons and move to a cart. I got this from Home Depot, so we'll have to see how it goes. First impressions, some assembly required. Ready, steady, go. Not bad for a one-eyed fat man. There are cheaper carts you can buy, but I preferred this cart because it allowed me to put my freeze dryer and my vacuum pump side by side at the same elevation. My next hint or tip is really more of a suggestion, but I got this cart from Home Depot. It cost about $160. It's a little bit more expensive than most people would pay, but the reason I got it is I could put my freeze dryer and my vacuum pump on the same cart side by side, and I could keep this at the end of my hallway. But something has happened, as you can clearly see. The capacity for this cart is supposed to be 400 pounds. Well, it may hold 400 pounds, but over time we have a definite problem here. One of the problems with the freeze dryer and the vacuum pump is not only do they give off a lot of heat, which we're going to talk about in a moment, they also give off a lot of vibration. This plastic right here is not thermal-set plastic, but it's called this thermoplastic, which means if you were to heat this up enough, you could actually melt this cart back into oblivion. And so with all the heat that these little appliances give off, plus the vibration, you can see that it has actually sagged. So to correct this little problem, we're going to have to put a board on top of this to help distribute the weight evenly to get rid of the sag. So I had this piece of 3/4 inch melamine in my garage. So I cut it down, rounded the corners to fit into the top, and this will give me the extra support I need to keep my cart from bowing and support everything much better than the original design.